My name is June Karaoke. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is June Karaoke. Thank you so much for joining me. So today, as you saw, we made shikakis. We have some guests coming to the house, so we're making a couple of things, and the first thing that I made was mshikakis, as you guys saw. Then after that, what did I do? After that, now I went to NTSA. I rushed to NTSA because I realized my ID was my DL had expired. So, and surprisingly, I have never taken that least amount of time in a government office. I took 45 minutes and I'm back in the house. So I'm glad that nimemaliza hiyo, and now I'm back in the house before the guests arrive. So I'm just going to make samosas. I'm deep frying them. So I'm going to be showing you how and what and tricks on how to make samosas. So yeah, enjoy. Niko kwa njia again, so I forgot to buy drinks when I was outside. Sijui akili yangu ilikuwa wapi, but I'm headed to the supermarket to go buy something to drink because it's too hot. You can't give people tea na joto, so I'm just headed to go buy some drinks in the nearest supermarket where I will find. So yeah, so far so good. And I didn't explain better about the samosas. So samosas, as you saw, they were defrosted. So the thing is, when you defrost, they were frosted. Mtasimaka zilikuwa mawe. Yani nimechanganikiwa sahi. So zilikuwa kwa freezer, so they were iced, right? So the first instinct people do is, the first thing people actually got confused. What? The first thing people do is defrost the samosas in the microwave, or samo unaziacha nje, and then you fry them. But what I do is I just fry them zikiwa hivyo, zikiwa baridi hivyo, zikiwa na hiyo ice ya fridge. I fry them the way they are, as you guys saw, and then after that I put them now in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and then zinakuwa poa sana, because if you defrost fast alafu uweke kwa mafuta, they tend to be soggy, you understand? So first of all, you just deep fry them just the way they are ndani ya mafuta, and then afterwards is when you microwave them. So wow, it's hot guy and I'm rushing, so I'll see you guys later. Acha niende hizi soda. Bye bye. So I've just secured the drinks. I don't know if you can see them. Over there is Coco Kitty, so I'm just rushing back to the house. And I don't know, just do you guys believe in like these signs like Gemini, what are they called, astrology signs? So for me, I'm a Gemini, and there's something about Geminis about organizing, so like event organizing, like hosting people for brunch or lunch or anything is just very exciting. So for me, I'm very thrilled. I'm really excited actually. And I don't know if you guys can tell, I really get excited over hosting people. I've not done that in a while, so I think I'll actually host my friends very soon for a brunch, just on a Saturday or on a Sunday. I feel like I'm going to do that. I just cook, hata sitaki take out. I want to cook, like I go all out and cook a buffet. So I think I'm going to do that soon. I'm going to think about it. So anyways, I just made it home, so yeah, we'll talk later. Bye bye. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are amazing. So today is on Thursday, and my plan was to go to the gym today in the morning and then later do my the things that I'm meant to do, my errands. But I thought to myself, like, why just, I think my body is just accustomed to going to the gym during the evening. I can't get myself to work out during the day. So what I'm planning on doing right now is I'm headed to a family friend of ours is moving out of the country for good, and they're selling all of their like household stuff. They're selling their furniture, kitchen appliances, all appliances, everything, beds, everything, sofa, dining. So that's what I'm headed to go look at, and we want to purchase a couple of things from there. They're quite affordable and yeah, accessible from someone you know. So I want to go take a look at that and just see what they have, and then yeah, that's that. Try to smile. sisi unatembea uswim.